Welcome to Regency Glass, where the difference is clear.
Hello again! Time to talk spacers. So, if you don't know what they are or how we use them, then let me shed a little light on all things spacers for you. Spacers are a method of separating glass and creating a cavity. Let me explain in a little more detail. When you build a house, you have the brick wall outer skin. The internal wall is traditionally breeze block. The two have a gap between them, known as the cavity. This helps to avoid damp and condensation, and also gives sound and heat insulation properties as well. This is the same principle with windows. The glass layers need separating, and this cavity is created using spacer bars. So let's show you how we put them together, shall we? 4 spacer bars are needed to create a frame. We use corner keys to put the pieces together. As you can see, the pieces when put together form the desired shape to fit the glass. In this instance, a square. Once we have the spacers built and filled with desiccant on our machines, we butyl the spacer bar, then fit 2 pieces of glass, one either side, and it becomes a unit once it's been sealed. Simples. Well, that's the basics. Spacers come in various thicknesses and colours, depending on the requirement. Here's a few different styles to show you some variants. My favourite's the black, our most popular, followed by grey and then white. For more information on spacer bars, feel free to get in touch with either Regency Glass or your local window supplier.